Okay, hi everyone. Today is a step-by-step tutorial on how to make face shields for our frontliners, right? This is the one that you see here. Very quickly, I'll just put it on to you. Okay, this is so that the frontliners don't get splattered on with water particles or saliva or anything from potential patients. So what I'm going to do now is a step-by-step production. All right. So what we're using is this foam mats, which campers use to line the floor of the tents. Okay. So unroll this, and what you want to do is for every 29 cm, okay, for those of you who don't use metric system, 29 cm is possibly about 11.5 inches, okay. So what I've done here is you just unroll it, measure 29, okay, mark it, cut across. So I've done a very quick one now for you. After I've cut that, they all come in columns of 29 cm. So from there, what you do is you take your ruler, okay, the width of the ruler, cut that, okay, and you basically have got this that comes out of it, okay. So this is 29 cm in length, or 11.5 inches when you're using imperial, and in terms of the depth of it or the width of it, some rulers may be a little bit more, but this one that I'm using here is 2.5 cm. Okay, so from here we'll put this aside. We use the plastic sheets, plastic PVC sheets, or for those of you who remember, acetates. Okay, so with the acetate, we'll take double-sided tape. Okay, stick it right across. Now you don't want to stick from edge to edge. I'll show you why in a minute. Okay, you stuck that, peel it off. Now this piece that you cut just now, okay, you stick it on the acetate. Now why I say you don't stick your double-sided tape from edge to edge is because you want to give it a little gap here which doesn't have double-sided tape. Now why do you want that is because you have got elastic bands here. Now these elastic bands are cut to 30 cm. Okay, 30 cm, or in imperial would be slightly under 12 inches. So 11.75 inches. So you want to slip it in between the foam and the plastic sheet. Okay, take your stapler, your regular size 10 stapler, and you staple it. What we do is three staples aside, okay, and then same thing on the other side. Also 3 staplers. Yeah. Okay. Now this is not the end of it. Make sure that these edges here, edges of the plastic here, are trimmed off or rounded off, because you don't want sharp edges to poke the PPE or the skin or whatever. Right? So there you have it. Can you see? Round edges? Yeah? Okay. So there. Done. That's all you need. Okay, so good luck to you wherever you're doing it, and stay safe, stay at home if possible, right? Let's all hope to get this over and done with as soon as possible. Thank you.